This is where Bitcoin, to me, represents a massive opportunity, an outsized opportunity for millennials to adopt this and really ride that wave up in a similar way to, our baby boomers had a massive wave up, massive tailwinds for 40 years. From 1980, they had interest rates go from 18 to 20% down to zero. Massive tailwind. You had property prices, unless you were lucky with a few little bumps along the way, you had property prices basically go 10 to 100x in that 40-year period. And I look at that and see now that, interest rates have changed. We've now in a period of quantitative tightening. We've watched in the last 5 years the 10-year bond rate in the US go from 0.5% up to over 5%. And now it's back down to about 4.3%. Maybe that trade is over. The boomer trade is over for property. But guess what? And this is where I think the opportunity for millennials is. Bitcoin is the equivalent of the property market for the last 40 years, except that 100x that you had to wait 40 years for in property, you're probably going to get that condensed into the next 10 years. So I look at this and think, if I'm a millennial, I'm trying to figure out how to get as much of this Bitcoin as I can, because the next 10 years, there's nothing that comes close to this as an investment opportunity.